All right, so have you ever seen a cicada shedding its exoskeleton? Come join me in the chaos. All right, so I was watering the yard and I walked by and saw this thing. I'm like, what is this bizarre creature? And then I realized this is a cicada just shedding its exoskeleton. Such a cool little creature. I sped this up and did a voiceover just because it was just such a long video. It was like 30 minutes long, and so I sped it up and clipped it down so it wouldn't be so long. But it's fascinating to see these guys emerge from their previous molt. I think a lot of them molt multiple times. I'm not exactly sure how many times cicadas molt. So if you're more knowledgeable on cicadas, go ahead and tell me in the comments if you've ever watched this process happen. It's pretty fascinating though. Their bodies are super soft when they first shed. And it's weird how stationary they are. They barely move.
The earth is beginning to burst. We'll sing and we'll shout with the armies of heaven. Hosanna, Hosanna to God and the Lamb. Let glory to them in the highest be given, henceforth and forever. Amen and amen. Calling all solemn assemblies in spirit to spread forth the kingdom of heaven abroad, that we through our faith may begin to inherit the visions and blessings and glories of God. We'll sing and we'll shout with the armies of heaven. Hosanna, Hosanna to God and the Lamb. Let glory to them in the highest be given, henceforth and forever. Amen and amen. For blessed the day when the Lamb and the Lion shall lie down together without any ire, and defrown be crowned with his blessing in Zion, as Jesus descends with his chariot of fire. We'll sing and we'll shout with the armies of heaven. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna to God and the Lamb. Let the Lamb, let glory to them in the highest be given, henceforth and forever. Amen and amen. How blessed the day when the Lamb and the Lion shall lie down together without any eye, and defrown be crowned with his blessing in Zion, as Jesus descends with his chariot of fire.